How to get sweat stains out of clothing. Sweat is a natural part of life, but it can often leave unwanted odors and stains on clothes. While sweat itself is primarily composed of water, discoloration happens when it comes into contact with the oils, dirt, and bacteria on your skin. Sweat can also leave stains when it mixes with your deodorant, depending on the type you use. No matter the cause, sweat stains are easy to remove using natural cleaning agents you likely already have in your home. Luckily, most acidic cleaners will remove the stains without damaging your clothing. Since most soaps and laundry detergents aren't acidic enough, you'll need to use something a little stronger. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide are excellent choices for white clothing, while you can water down some white vinegar for colored garments. Lemon juice and salt is a strong alternative if you want a natural cleaning agent for white clothes. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide on whites, washing colors with white vinegar, and trying lemon juice for a natural clean. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. Using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide on whites. 1. Large bowl or sink. 2. Pot. 3. Oven mitt. 4. Baking soda. 5. Hydrogen peroxide. 6. Water. 7. Spoon. 8. Scrub brush or toothbrush. Washing colors with white vinegar. 1. Large bowl or sink. 2. Pot. 3. White vinegar. 4. Water. 5. Spoon. Trying lemon juice for a natural clean. 1. Small glass. 2. Lemons or lemon juice. 3. Salt. Method 1. Using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide on whites. Number 1. Flip your item of clothing inside out and place it in a bowl or sink. Flipping your item of clothing inside out will allow you to attack the stain directly. Place your reversed item of clothing inside a large bowl or sink, with the stain resting at the lowest point in the bowl or sink. This method will not work with spandex, which can be damaged by hot water. Using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide may cause discoloration if you're removing stains from colored fabric. Number 2. Combine baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and water in a separate bowl. Use 1 part baking soda, 1 part hydrogen peroxide, and 1 part water in a large bowl and mix them together with a large clean spoon. Mix the solution until there are no visible chunks of baking soda left. About a quarter cup, 59 milliliters, of each ingredient will be enough for 1 shirt or pair of pants. Number 3. Boil a pot of water and pour it directly on the stains. Fill a large pot with water and heat it on the stove until the water reaches a rolling boil. While wearing an oven mitt, carry the pot over to your sink or bowl and pour the boiling water directly over your sweat stain. This will loosen the fabric and make the sweat stains easier to scrub away. Number 4. Pour the baking soda solution directly onto the stain and scrub it. With a spoon, scoop your solution directly on top of the stains. Let it soak for at least 5 minutes. After it soaks, scrub the stain with a scrub brush or toothbrush in soft, circular motions until the stain disappears. You can soak your clothing for longer if you'd like. White fabric won't be damaged by letting it soak for longer. Number 5. Throw the clothing in with your dirty laundry and wash it. Throw your item of clothing in with your dirty laundry and sort it before you wash it. Use your standard laundry detergent and run a regular wash cycle to remove any residue from your baking soda or hydrogen peroxide. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Washing colors with white vinegar. Number 1. Place your item of clothing in a sink or large bowl, inside out. You're going to soak your item of clothing for a while, so make sure that the bowl is big and deep enough to keep your clothing fully submerged for a long period of time. Place the stained area at the lowest point in the bowl or sink so that it can fully soak when you add your vinegar. White vinegar is the least likely to damage colored clothing. Number 2. Fill a bowl with white vinegar and water and pour it over the stain. In a large bowl, combine 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water and mix it with a large spoon. Pour your mixture over the stain so that it is fully submerged in your mixture. About 1/3 cup, 79 milliliters, of each ingredient will be enough for 1 shirt or pair of pants, as long as this will cover the stain completely. Number 3. Let your clothing soak for 30 minutes before washing it. Allow your clothing to soak in the vinegar solution for at least 30 minutes before throwing it in with your sorted laundry for a standard wash. If you notice that the stain is still there after you've washed it, repeat this process. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Trying lemon juice for a natural clean. Number 1. Fill a glass with water and lemon juice. Squeeze several lemons into a small glass until it's half full. Then, top the lemon juice off with room temperature water until your glass is filled to the brim. You can add 1 teaspoon, 4 grams, of salt to the mixture if you'd like to make the stain easier to scrub. Number 2. Pour your lemon juice solution onto the stain and rub it. With your item of clothing sitting over your sink, pour your lemon juice over your stain and begin to rub it gently between the pads of your fingers. Rub it for 3 to 5 minutes until you see the stain disappearing. Number 3. Leave your clothing to soak for 1 hour and then wash it. After you've rubbed the majority of the stain away, let your clothing sit in the sink for 1 hour. This will give the lemon juice and water time to loosen up any remaining residue from the sweat stain. Then, throw your clothing in with the rest of your laundry. You can rinse the lemon juice and salt under cold water if you're washing the clothing with any colored items of clothing and are worried about the salt changing their color. Lemon juice can have an undesired effect on colored fabric if it's been dyed. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. If the garment is white or a cream color, you can try washing it with bleach to get rid of the stains. 2. Another option is to try to use a commercial stain removal to loosen the stain up before washing the piece in the washing machine. 3. Do not put your sweat-stained garments in the laundry hamper to sit for days or weeks. The sooner you treat them, the easier they are to lift, says Parnell. 4. For delicate and dry clean-only fabrics, consider consulting a professional dry cleaner rather than removing the stain yourself, says Dills. 5. Do not put stained garments in the dryer. If your item is still stained after machine washing, try repeating the stain treatment. Drying sets the stain, making it more difficult to remove, says Parnell. 6. Avoid using deodorants with aluminum, which can leave behind yellow stains when it interacts with sweat. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.